So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from bank account to PayPal. So if you want to transfer money from your bank account to PayPal, you can link your bank. So after that, you can transfer money in your wallet and choose add money to your balance. So let's open up PayPal. So first off, you will need to open it up like this. From this point, you'll just need to first link your bank. So if you go to your PayPal wallet, you can see the options to add banks and cards. So through here, you can see banks and debit and credit cards. So you can add those. And after that, once you've added it, you can go to transfer money. And once you've typed in the amount you want to add, or rather to transfer in this case, you can then just choose that specific card that you linked through here. So you can transfer funds received to your bank account. That's going to be in your PayPal account. And from that point, you can just type the amount and confirm it. And some important details that it takes around 3 to 5 business days. And the PayPal does not charge a fee, but your bank very well might. And just make sure that your bank account name must match your PayPal name. So these are some of the circumstances you need to look out for. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.